If you have experience building server-side scripts and web pages, then you're probably aware that when client application starts communicating with the server-side application, there is a HTTP session that is created, and this session will uniquely identify the client application while it's communicating with the server. So if you have 5 different client applications communicating with your API, then you will have 5 different HTTP sessions created. And these sessions and cookies, they can cache some of the information about the request, which can make our authorization header also cached. And then even if we do not set authorization header in the following HTTP request, the request will still be authorized, and we do not want that to happen. Because in our REST API, we want most of HTTP requests to contain authorization header and to be reauthorized. And I'm saying most because HTTP requests, like for example user sign up, does not need to contain authorization header. So to do that, we will need to configure web security to tell Spring not to create HTTP session, and this will make our REST API stateless, which will prevent authorization header from being cached. So I will need to add a couple of lines below the authorization filter, and these are to access session management and then to use session creation policy to tell Spring Security that our REST API should be stateless and we do not want HTTP session to be created. Let me import session creation policy, and it needs to come from Spring Framework Security, config HTTP package. There are other options additionally to stateless, like always create a session or create session if required or never create a session, but stateless is a more strict option, and this is what we need in this case. So let's save this and let's continue.